Okay, Mazda 3 2010 version installed for Cogoo 9-inch Android GPS HD player big screen with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera, butterfly version. Okay, Cogoo 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM Mazda 3 casing, OEM power socket for plug and play, it's radio, so steering control, okay, connect for Cogoo reverse camera, night view plus reverse camera. Okay, you have to pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling, a mic input, and you can click for the BT music for Bluetooth music, sharing your phone music to player. Okay, go to setting, Android player, you have to turn on Wi-Fi, connect your phone hotspot for internet, Android version 7.1 2018, steering wheel control setting, log in Gmail, download app from Play Store, a file manager, you can manage your file, internal storage 16 gig, you can use 11 gig, system use some, then got two USB extension, two USB slot, aux video input, video output, okay, setting, personal setting, so you can change the boot logo, change wallpaper. So this is Cogoo 9-inch Android GPS big screen player for Mazda 3 2010 with OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play, installed by One Piece. Thank you.